everyone! We just started to a new project in Nurol Life building in Istanbul. Are you ready to see what we are doing? So, here we go. This is the living room of the project. And in the living room, we already have a kitchen part, which is open, which is totally okay. It's not even used for once. It's fitting, natural colors, everything is alright. I don't touch it. I accept it. And what I want to do here is we have already fixed part for TV. I want to make it more beautiful. So what I did here. You know, I love natural materials. I love natural colors. But I like also to be bold at the same time. I like gold details, shiny details. So what I did here. Here we have a block of marble. How to put it here is that you just cannot fix it on the wall. Why? Because the height is around 345 centimeters. So I had to do this kind of structure, which is very strong, that can carry my marble. Because that stone must be very good fixed here, and here is our structure. As you see here, what I did, I eliminated the wall here and I fixed the one which is the carrying one, which is the fixed one, in the place of the plaster wall. That's why I did it, because here is a heating system, so I didn't want to disturb it. I didn't want to put anything to the floor. That's why I used the part of the wall to do this thing. As you see, it was wallpaper. Chips. So what I can say, here there will be the block of marble, and here next to it, in the middle, I have a furniture wall panel. Why? Because I'm gonna put the TV here. And I need some place to open plug places, and I cannot make the same material all wall. It's boring. Why? So in the middle I have a furniture piece with gold details, with single color and with a little bit of lighting. And in the corner I have same marble but in a surprise way. I'll show it later. Here you see it's very strong wall. It's very big piece. And of course, like, I will put some kind of textile here, some curtains, it's gonna look nice. But I want to have this view in a frame. So I have a special piece here for the curtain. You will see it later. As you see, our dining room, living room, kitchen all together. So what should I do is to give an identity to all this area, this big area. So what I did here, it's okay, it's very understandable, it's TV unit and there will be sofa, it's okay. But I wanted to do a little bit of special thing for the dining part. So what I did here, I did these niches. So here inside you will have a light band, and here there will be special wall with mirrors, and under it there will be a console. So when the lights are on, this area will be shining. So of course, when you do something here, this wall is continuing to the corridor. So how can I leave this wall abandoned? I had to continue. I had to carry this design here to here in a different way, because I don't have here that much height for the ceiling. I have less place, so I wanted to impress and give some idea what people are gonna see inside of this apartment. So what I did, when you come inside, you are just seeing this wall. These are niches again, and around them there is light bands. So when you enter, there is like shining wall with a mirror in the middle, some shelves, some nice welcome to the new house. So what I have to tell you, For me, the most important thing first is the project. I don't start without project because I should know what I'm gonna do, and my customer should know what I'm doing and what will it look like. So all these projects are printed and stick on the wall and explain totally what it is, what it's there, how it's gonna happen in reality. So, I just entered and started explaining you what is happening in the living room. But what about the rest? You don't know how many rooms here and what I'm doing. So let me give a little bit of brief information about this project. In this project, there is 3 bedrooms. One is master bedroom, the others are for children. The family has 4 children, 3 girls, 1 boy. So, the little ones, the little girl and the little boy will live in this room, the first bedroom. And the girls are gonna live in the second bedroom. And the third bedroom is the master bedroom, and it has also a bathroom. And there is another bathroom in the corridor here for a general use. So, let's start from the first bedroom of the children. This is the first bedroom of this apartment. Here, the planning is quite obvious. Here will be the wardrobe. As you see, the height is full height, 345 centimeters for this room. So, what I should do here first? Okay, this is the wardrobe part. And then, this part here is for the beds. To have the maximum of the room, I designed a single bed head which is covering the both beds, and a single bedside table which children can use in both ways. And because of the room is a quite tiny one, I decided to have a very thin furniture here which children can put their small little stuff. So we needed to have the most of the room. So this is the corridor part. And here we have some wardrobe and the bathroom. This is all was including inside of the project. So let's see the girls' room. So in the girls' room, here in this part, I'm continuing the same style of single bed head, single bedside table for 2 girls. So it's quite obvious how they settle down. And here, in this wall, I have a strong, big, single wardrobe, and the sides will be the makeup desks for the girls. So, the master bedroom is consisting of 2 parts, sleeping part, dressing part. So, how we settle down here? Here, there will be locating the bed. What is it about these profiles? We are gonna use a very nice marble which is called Calcutta block, which has a wave inside. So we book match that wave. We are doing one vertical, one horizontal wave which is getting together in the corner. And to keep the balance, we are using textile bed head which is cutting this marble in the middle, like this. The sleeping part is not only consisting of bed and bed head, but there is also a working place which is designed in this wall. So, this part is a dressing part. What we're doing here, we will have his side and her side. We are keeping the big wall for her side because we need to have a makeup desk here, which is continuing and becoming her wardrobe. And for the man part, we already have a specified place. It may seem different, but both wardrobes are in the same side, inside. Her side may be looking bigger than his side, but it's not true. Both wardrobes are in the same size. Why? Because there is a makeup desk here and then coming the wardrobe. So, thank you for watching me. So far, we arrived to this moment. We finished the dirty job. And now it's time to start for the furnitures. So this was the first part of the videos of Nurol Life. And for the next videos, in order not to miss them, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you will see it when we publish a video. I was forgetting, you need to press that bell to be reminded about our future videos.